Hello folks, my name is Mohammad Misbauddin and I am e-education provider of medical coding and I am teaching you about the certification called Certified Professional Coder. In this video, you will learn about integumentary systems subsection, that is surgical grafting. So let's start. As I explained you in the previous video of surgical preparation, grafting means removing healthy tissue from one area of body and moving it to another area of body. The tissue which is moved to or transplanted to another area of body is known as grafting. There are three types of graft: autograft, allograft, xenograft. What is autograft? Autograft means removing the healthy tissue from one area of body and placing it to another area of body for same patient. Allograft means removing healthy tissue from one person and placing it to another person. Xenograft means removing the tissue from animal and placing it to human body. Now again, there are different types of autograft, or you can say depths of autograft or level of autograft. In the table you can see epidermis, which is the superficial layer of the skin, and dermis, which is second layer of the skin. And split thickness autograft means epidermis and part of dermis are included in this split thickness autograft, and full thickness autograft epidermis and full dermis included. Now how the procedure happens: the physician will perform this autograft depending on the type and depth of graft, and there are some guidelines to follow surgical grafting by the coder. Coder need to identify the type of graft, and he needs to identify on which anatomical body group the site belongs to. And the final guideline is add the diameter on the same anatomical site or different sites of body group. Let's see CPT book for codes. 15040 Harvest of skin for tissue cultured skin autograft 100 square centimeter or less. Now, what is tissue cultured skin autograft? In this procedure, the physician will remove the tissue from patient's body and he will grow the tissue in vitro lab on collagen elastin scaffold. So, this will take 3 weeks to grow the tissue in vitro lab. Later, this tissue will be used for the same patient, particularly for the treatment of large full thickness wounds and burns that cover large body surface area. And the next code is 15150. This is also tissue culture skin autograft, trunk, arms, legs, first 25 square centimeter or less. For example, if the physician documented in the medical record of patient that he performed tissue cultured skin autograft on trunk 25 square centimeters, on arms 75 square centimeters, on legs 100 square centimeters, then what codes you will assign? 3 codes. You just need to remember the guidelines that add the diameter of same anatomical site or different sites of body group. So for trunk 25 square centimeters you will assign 15150. After 25 square centimeters you have 75 square centimeters for arms, then you will assign 15151. So use 15151 in conjunction with 15150, and after that, after completing the 100 square centimeters, then you have each additional 100 square centimeters, then you have to assign 15152. You need to use 15152 in conjunction with 15151. Similarly, you have another group related to tissue culture skin autograft: face, scalp, eyelids, mouth, neck, ears, orbits, genitalia, hands, feet, and or multiple digits. The procedure is same, but here the group is different with different anatomical sites. This is up to 25 square centimeters or less. After 25 square centimeters, then you need to assign 15156. If the diameter exceeds more than 100 square centimeters, then utilize 15157. And the next code is 15050, pinch graft, single or multiple, to cover small ulcer, tip of digit or other minimal open area except on face, up to defect size 2 cm diameter. This procedure is not performed on face. Now, what is pinch graft? A small graft obtained by elevating the skin with the help of needle and slicing it with a knife. Because the diameter of defected size and the donor site is 2 cm or less than that, the provider closes the donor site and he applies the graft to the recipient site such as small ulcer, toe tip or fingertip, and finally he closes the site with sterile dressing which enables healing. And we have next code 15100, and the description of this code is split thickness autograph, trunk, arms, legs, first 100 square centimeter or less, or 1% of body area of infants and children except 15050, means this code does not include pinch graft procedure. Now, what is split thickness autograft? It includes epidermis and part of dermis. For example, the physician is mentioning in the medical record of patient that by utilizing dermatome, he harvested the skin of body group trunk 100 square centimeter, arms 100 square centimeter, leg 1 square centimeter, and he transplanted that graft to the defected area like large wounds or burn, and closed the wound by suturing this graft to defected area. What course you will assign? So to assign the course, you just need to remember the guideline, add the diameter of same anatomical site or different sides of body group. Then for trunk 100 square centimeters, arms 100 square centimeters, and leg we have 1 square centimeters. The total is 201. So for the first 100 square centimeters you will use or assign 15100, and after that you will assign twice 15101, because this is each additional 100 square centimeters or each additional 1% of body area of infants and children or part thereof. Part thereof means any part of the body. So you will assign 3 codes. Always use 15101 in conjunction with 15100, and this is a body group we have in the split thickness autograph, and another body group we have, that is face, scalp, eyelids, mouth, neck, ears, orbits, genitalia, hands, feet, and or multiple digits. So the procedure is same and only the difference is body group. Similarly, you have 15110, which is epidermal autograft. The procedure is same, but the physician will harvest the skin from the superficial layer of integumentary system, and the group here mentioned is trunk, arms, legs, first 100 square centimeter or less, or 1% of body area of infants and children. So utilize this code if the physician documented about epidermal autograft. Then if it is more than 100 square centimeters, you need to utilize or use this add-on code 15111 in conjunction with 15110. And you have one group for trunk, arms, legs, and another group face, scalp, eyelids, mouth, neck, ears, orbits, genitalia, hands, feet, and are multiple digits. So even for split thickness autograph and epidermal autograph, you have two body groups with different anatomical sites. And we have another code 15130, and the description of this code is dermal autograft, trunk, arms, legs, first 100 square centimeter or less, or 1% of body area of infants and children. For example, if the physician is using dermatome to raise the skin of patient's donor site and after that the physician is harvesting the dermal tissue and transplanting it to the recipient site like burn or wound on trunk, arms or legs. After closing the wound, the physician will then reattach the raised tissue at the donor site. If this is the procedure performed, then you have to assign 15130 for first 100 square centimeter or less. If the physician performing more than 100 square centimeter of dermal autograft, then you have to utilize 15131. Always use 15131 in conjunction with 1530. Then after this group you have another group for this same procedure, that is face, scalp, eyelids, mouth, neck, ears, orbits, genitalia, hands, feet and or multiple digits. So assign if this group, body group or any site from this body group is documented in the medical record of patient. If the diameter is more than 100 square centimeter, you need to assign 15136. Then we have the other code 15200. This is full thickness graft free, including direct closure of donor site, trunk 20 square centimeters or less. For example, if the physician is documenting in the medical record of a patient that he is harvesting top two layers of the skin and transplanting it to defected area, then after that he is closing the donor site and recipient site as well. So you can assign 15200 if the group is trunk. If the physician mentioned about trunk 20 square centimeters and scalp 20 square centimeters, arms 20 square centimeters, forehead 30 square centimeters, then nose 10 square centimeters, eyelids or lips 30 square centimeters. What codes you will assign? Please input the answers in the comment section. And for any doubts or practicing questions, you can request me on cpctrainer@protonmail.com, and please don't forget to mention the section name. And thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment.